Saturday by Sam Fender is played in C-sharp standard tuning without a capo. We're going to be looking at the song here in standard tuning so you can start learning the song without having to detune your guitar. So the first chord in the song is a standard E major chord. This will be a C-sharp chord obviously when we are detuned to C-sharp standard. We're going to play the low bass note on the E string and then a full strum through the whole chord. So bass, strum. We'll then play bass, bass, strum, bass. So bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass. In the second bar, we're going to play the bass note again, strum with the rest, bass, bass. Then we're going to move to a B chord, which is obviously in standard tuning. This is a B. We've got a thumb over the top, 7th fret on the E, third finger 9th fret of the D, second finger 8th fret of the G, first finger on the 7th fret of the B string. This is our B chord, and we're going to strum down, down, and then move this shape down 2 frets to an A chord. So it'll be down, up, down, and we're actually just going to hit the low E string, the 5th fret to start with here. So that second bar, E, open E string, strum with the rest, bass, bass, moving up here to that B chord, down, up, down, down 2 frets, bass. So those first 2 bars slowly, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, bass, B, down to the A chord, and then we're going to play pretty much the same rhythm again. We've got the bass already played on the A, strum with a little rest, bass, bass, strum, rest, bass, bass, strum, rest, bass, bass, up to that B chord, down, up, down, this time down to the low E chord with the low E string played on its own, and then we just repeat through that. So slowly we have E chord, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, bass, B, A chord, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, bass, B, down to the E, and repeat. For the link into the chorus, we start with that E chord, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, bass, up to that B chord, down, up, down, bass on the A, bass, strum, bass, bass, and here we're going to change, we're going to strum down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 so down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 and that'll take us into the chorus. So the whole link, E, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, bass, B, A, strum, bass, bass, down, 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 down. And for the chorus, we're going to go to the E chord, we're going to strum down, 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 go to an F chord, which is thumb over the top on the 1st fret of the E, third finger, 3rd fret of the D, second finger, 2nd fret of the G, first finger, 1st fret of the B, single strum on and up here, so down, 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 up, and then shift it up 1 more fret to an F sharp, down, 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 up, E, down, 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 F, F sharp, down, 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 up. Then we're going to move up to our A chord, we go down, 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 down. Tricky rhythm, but do it again slowly. E, down, 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 F, F sharp, down, 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 up, A, down, 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 down. And the second time through is slightly different. Starts off the same for the first 3 bars. E, down, 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 F, F sharp, down, 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 up, A chord, down, 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 and then we have down, 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 then to the B chord, down, up, down, and it takes us back into verse 2, which we're going to actually start on the A chord instead of the E. So the whole chorus, slowly, E, F sharp, down, 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 up to the A chord, down, 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 and the second time, E, down, 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 F, F sharp, down, 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 up to the A chord, down, 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 B, down, up, down, then to the bass on the A string, and we play through the kind of normal progression for the verse, but starting on the A this time. There is another link section at 1 minute and 57 in the song. It starts with the same kind of chorus pattern of E, 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 F, F sharp, down, 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 up. But then we don't move to the A here. We stay on the F and we go, the F sharp, sorry, and go down, 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 up 2 frets to a G sharp, same kind of chord shape, up, A, down, 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 up, then to an A minor, down, down, down. So for that A minor chord, we go from the A shape, and we're going to just keep the thumb and third finger where they are, and go to a first finger bar across the 5th fret on the G and B strings for that A minor chord. So that whole link section at 1 minute 57 is E, F, F sharp, stay there, G sharp, A, the outro plays through the main section of the chorus until the end of the song. So it is E, F, F sharp, A, played on repeat until the end of the song.